Let me try to explain. I'm sick of having all the Facebook bullshit. I'm sick of um, them changing the interface every 20 minutes. I'm sick of being suggested people I may know when they're clearly like the parents of somebody I met. I'm sick of pages I might like. I'm sick of bullshit. So, we're gonna go and take it back. It's all being taken back. I'm taking it back. And I'm gonna launch my own shit and I invite you all to come along. It's not easy. It's really not easy. Unplugging, but I will. And I have done.